How to choose the right conical fermenter. My country's craft beer industry started late, and conical tanks began to receive attention from various countries. Several improvements have been made to improve the usefulness of conical tanks, and has successfully been unanimously recognized by all countries in the world. Next, let's talk about how to choose the right fermentation tank for craft beer. 1. Basic structure and performance of conical fermenter. The cone bottom is 60 to 90 degrees, and the tank body is provided with a cooling jacket. Facilitates yeast recovery and process cooling. The conical tank is a sealed tank and can recover carbon dioxide. The process is suitable for upper fermentation and lower fermentation. 2. Size selection of conical fermenter. The maximum level of wort in the conical fermenter is 15 meters. The ratio of diameter to height is generally 1 to 3-1 to 5. The liquid level in the tank is an important parameter. Affects fermentation byproduct composition and yeast activity and physiological metabolism. 3. Selection of materials for the production of conical fermentation tanks. Fermenters are mostly made of stainless steel. Tank walls are rough and bacteria can multiply inside, leading to contamination. Therefore, the surface of the inner wall of the conical tank should be kept smooth and clean. 4. The selection of thermal insulation materials for conical fermentation tanks. Insulation material requires low thermal conductivity, low density, low water absorption, and is not easy to burn. The type and thickness of the insulation material should be set in combination with the local temperature and climate. An outer protective layer needs to be provided on the outside of the thermal insulation material. Generally use aluminum alloy plate or stainless steel sheet. 5. The pressure problem of the conical fermentation tank. More pressure on the head and bottom of the cone. The pressure in the lower part of the cylinder is greater than the pressure in the upper part of the cylinder. When the working temperature and pressure are different, the wall thickness requirements are also different.